So juicy. Honestly, I'd highly recommend this. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So for the burger sauce, we're gonna go in with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of relish, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can use regular mustard if you want to. A tablespoon of tomato ketchup, a little bit of smoked paprika, onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, teaspoon of granulated sugar, and lastly I'm gonna grate a little bit of red onion. You can use white onion if that's what you have. You can chop this up as well, and we're gonna give that a mix. And there we go. Our burger sauce is ready. So I wasn't gonna make this, but I have some leftover beef here, less than 3 ounces. Add a little bit of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon or enough to season this real quick. No pepper as yet. I'm gonna put the pepper afterwards. I'm gonna separate that into 2 balls. So like so. Any amount of beef you have, you can use that. So 2 golf size balls. I'm gonna mold that nicely. Get those molded. Now I have here 2 taco shells, about 4 inches. Gonna add my patties onto them. And we're gonna smash that. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, chef. Will that cook? Will it be raw on the next side? It will cook. Trust and believe. So it's gonna press these out. Because when you have ground beef like this, it cooks real fast. Now we're gonna press these out all the way to the sides and a little bit over. Alright? You can add a little bit of oil to your hands if you don't want it sticking. Nice and flattened, everything is sticked on. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on there. Nothing too crazy. I already have the salt in the patty. So coming in with a hot pan, gonna hit that with a touch of oil, nothing crazy. Just like that. Alright, once that pan is heated, we're gonna go in now with the taco, meat side down. Around 3 minutes because that patty is very thin. Here we go, flip it over. Just like that. I have a little bit of shrinkage, that's why I went all the way to the end, right? I'm just gonna crisp that up. So while that's cooking, you wanna go into a slice of cheddar cheese, like so, and allow that to melt. Gonna remove that, and we're gonna go in again. There we go. So we're gonna assemble. We're gonna get some of that sauce, generous amount, little bit of onion, caramelized onion. You don't have to. I have these from a burger I did, and then lastly, some fresh chopped lettuce. So just basically you fold it like that into a taco. Here we go. Gonna go in, give an honest review. I like this. So juicy. Honestly, I'd highly recommend this. It's good. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, Don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.